Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel CIBC Credit Card. To cancel your CIBC Credit Card, you need to follow through the instructions till the end. So, the first thing to do is to open a web browser. Inside the URL box, type in cibc.com and search. This will now take you to the official website for CIBC, from where you will need to scroll all the way down. From the main homepage, scroll all the way down and look for the option where it says Contact Us. Click on the Contact Us link and it'll open up a new tab where you can scroll down and click the drop down right under Find the Right Number to Call. Now in the sub menu, choose Credit Cards. You'll then be able to see a list of phone numbers you can call. After picking a phone number, make a phone call to it. Make sure to choose the number and then make a phone call to it. Be prepared to answer security questions to verify your identity. The representative might ask the reason for cancellation and try to offer retention deals to keep your business. Make sure you have your credit card details or account information available for reference. Follow through the instructions and then you will be able to cancel your CIBC credit card. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.